Let us start with vintage Star Wars figures. These are some of the most sought-after action figures at flea markets. Characters like Boba Fett, Darth Vader, and Luke Skywalker from the original 1970s and 1980s. Kenner line can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. A loose Boba Fett figure might sell for around $50 to $100, while one in mint condition with packaging can fetch over $1,000. Next up are G.I. Joe figures from the 1980s. These military-themed toys were hugely popular, and many collectors are still searching for rare versions. Look for figures with original accessories and minimal wear. A complete Snake Eyes figure, for example, can sell for $75 to $200 depending on condition. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figures are another great find. The original Playmates line from the late 1980s includes characters like Leonardo, Michelangelo, and Shredder. Loose figures might go for $20 to $50, but rare variants or figures in packaging can reach prices over $100. Transformers from the 1980s are also top picks. Original Generation 1 figures like Optimus Prime, Megatron, and Soundwave are highly collectible. A loose Optimus Prime with trailer can sell for $100 to $300, while boxed versions can go for over $500. Do not overlook Masters of the Universe figures. He-Man, Skeletor, and other characters from the early 1980s are still in demand. A loose He-Man figure might sell for $20 to $40, while rare characters like Scareglow or Faker can bring in over $100. Another category to watch for is Marvel and DC superhero figures. Early Toy Biz or Kenner figures of characters like Spider-Man, Batman, and Wolverine can be valuable, especially if they are unopened. Prices vary widely, but mint condition figures can sell for $50 to $200 or more. Pokemon action figures, especially from the late 1990s, are also worth checking out. Figures of Pikachu, Charizard, and Mewtwo are popular among collectors. Loose figures might sell for $10 to $30, but rare or boxed figures can be worth significantly more. When browsing flea markets, always check the condition of the figures. Mint condition figures with original packaging are the most valuable. Look for intact joints, original accessories, and minimal paint wear. Another tip is to research before you go. Use online price guides and collector forums to learn what to look for. This will help you spot valuable items quickly and avoid overpaying. Finally, do not be afraid to negotiate. Many flea market vendors are open to offers, especially if you are buying multiple items. A little haggling can go a long way in getting a great deal on action figures.